Hey, this is Damien with Volkswagen Auto Works out of Pearland, Texas. And me and Keaton have been busy on other projects for the shop, but now we're turning our attention back to the scirocco build. Let me show you where we are so far. So we're putting the beam that goes, the square tube stock, it's going to go right, from pillar to pillar, frame rail to frame rail. But you just can't weld that to the unibody because, whenever the thing flexes, it'll just crack where this is because it's so thin in comparison to the square stock that we're going to use. So what we're going to do is we got 1/4 inch steel plate from the local metal yard. It's 6.5 inches wide by 10 inches long. And we got them for like next to nothing. I think it was like 20 bucks for a stack of them. So we walked away happy as hell. So the plan is we cut the basic shape out to match the Audi's frame rail, and then I bevel grinded the edge. I might actually bevel just a little bit more, but the idea is that so I can not only weld along here, but I can weld the bottom edge to the unibody on this crease, and then whenever I have the bottom plate to weld on the bottom, then I'll have a whole nother surface to weld this part of the bevel to that plate, so it'll have a nice double weld. So not only will I have a nice square structure to support the cross beam, but it'll also be bonded to the Audi TT frame rail, not just at the edges. It'll have a seam weld here and most likely a 1 inch cutout with a spot couple of tacks in there as well. We're not sure if we need it though. But the reason that we are doing all this reinforcement is that we're going to put a roll cage in this thing. Nothing fancy, just a simple single loop with some low door bars and then a bar coming down so we can have our seat belt loops. And that's right where that square stock is going to be, so it'll be very solid. Later on the day we'll post another video of little 2-minute videos on me fitting everything and where I'm welding it and how I'm doing it. But for as of now, that's about it for me and Damien and Keaton here at Volkswagen Auto Works, Pearland, Texas, and you have a great day.